Got a Dodge here. Dodge Challenger, 6.4. Nice rims. Another Mustang, convertible. Convertible. It's Buick. Electra.
Yeah.
And over here you got Scat. Another Dodge. 5.0. Charger. Challenger.
Cheeto.
Road Rider, Toyota Corolla. These little tires on this, my goodness. Some little tires, yeah. Cheetah. Another Dodge. Nice rims. Mopar or no car? Not sold my Mopar. I sold my Charger. They're nice. It was nice for the while I had it. One with the luxury, something more reliable. So you got Dodge, you got Ford. Fire engine red. They probably know each other. They park next to each other. Carbon fiber hood on that Charger. 5.0 Mustang. She got a Beamer over here. Nice, clean. Why not? Right? Why not? So, we're gonna go get something to eat from one of these food vendors. You see that Ford Excursion over there. Got the lift kit on it. It's sitting up there high. You see the trophies. See what we got over here. You got G Wiz's van. You got a Ford van, G Wiz. Custom paint job and everything. G57.
I ain't do that shit again.
I'm sorry. Her fault will never.
That's the gentleman that's putting on the car show, G Wiz. That fact, let's take a look at his logo. So if y'all want to look him up. It's a different paint job or wrap. Nowadays, these be wraps. Came all the way from Connecticut. Got the Jeeps here. Big Jeeps. Jeep Wrangler. Big tires. Gotta wide these tires are.
Thank you.
Where can we see it? Where can we see it?
So, I take them, I don't pick them. That's all I can tell you. But it will be on the county Facebook. So, County of Union?
All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You're welcome.
Did you get my bike?
Where's your bike?
Yeah.
This one? The red one? You want to go over there and close?
I do
We're
that.
going to be going around all day.
Okay.
I'll let the girl know.
Okay.
I'm here till 3.
Thank you. Jeep unit, New York. People coming from out of state. New York, Pennsylvania, Connecticut. Got the little e-bike on the back. This is dope. I like that. It's a different look. Need to fix that. Like my father's old car right there, pulled up at the end.